In this lesson, you'll place rebar in a cross-section view. The rebar is placed parallel to the exterior face of the concrete beam. Click the menu browser and select Open. In the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rst-mdl reinforcement beam 01 parallel. First, let's create a section view. Open the View 02 floor and zoom in to the southeast corner of the structure. Then click the View tab, and from the Create panel, click Section. Then click inside the room between grid lines 9 and 10, and then click outside the south wall to place the section. Then drag the right control until it is positioned to the left of the stairs, approximately as shown. Then press Escape and double-click the section head to open the section view. Now let's change the section view visibility. On the View control bar, click the Scale control and select 1/4 inch equals a foot. Then click Detail Level and select Fine. Then click Hide Crop Region. Zoom in on the beam on level 02 floor. Let's open the rebar shape browser. Select the concrete beam, click the rebar drop-down, and select Place rebar parallel to work plane. The rebar shape browser opens to the right of the drawing area, and the active rebar shape is highlighted and corresponds to the shape specified on the options bar, with the current element type shown as rebar bar number 4. In the rebar shape browser, select rebar shape T1. Then move the cursor over the beam and press the spacebar to change the location of the rebar until it is positioned at the upper right corner of the beam as shown, and click to place the rebar. Then click Modify. Let's modify the rebar shape so that the rebar is contained within the concrete beam. Select the rebar. Then click the top triangle control and drag the rebar within the boundaries of the beam. Using the same method, click and drag to modify the shape of the remaining rebar. Then press Escape and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.